Welcome to SHEKO Trader. Have you ever felt that trading is your path to quick profits but ended up losing your money instead? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll reveal the 3 deadliest mistakes most traders make and show you how to avoid them to become a pro in binary options trading. Mistake hash 1. Trading without a clear plan. The biggest mistake you can make is entering the market without a plan. Remember, the market is unforgiving. If you don't have a clear strategy, you'll find yourself losing one trade after another. The solution is simple. Always trade with a plan based on market analysis and a tested strategy. Mistake hash 2. Greed and the desire for quick profits. Greed is the enemy of success in trading. Many beginners believe they can double their money quickly, but the truth? Greed almost always leads to losses. The solution: set daily or weekly profit goals and stop trading once you achieve them. Mistake hash 3. Ignoring risk management. Ignoring capital management is the #1 reason most traders fail. Never risk more than 5% of your capital on a single trade, and always set a stop loss for every trade. If you want to become a professional trader, SHEKO Trader is here to support you. Always focus on learning, analyzing, and managing risks because trading is not a game of luck. It's an art that requires patience and discipline. Share your biggest trading challenges in the comments below. And if you want more secrets to successful trading, subscribe now to SHEKO Trader and turn on the notification bell for the latest tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.